Hi everyone, my name is Alex and I'm from JC1A. Today I will be showing you how to change switches on the mechanical keyboard. So the first thing that you need to know is whether your keyboard is hot swappable or not. So the first method is you can just gently pull it with a switch puller and see if it comes off easily. But if you're too scared to do that, then you can just check it on your keyboard website. Okay, so these are the things that you will be needing. The first thing is a keycap puller, a switch puller, a switch, and most importantly, your keyboard. So the next step is you need to know whether your switch is a 5-pin or a 3-pin. This switch that I'm holding is a Leobock V4. It is a 5-pin. You can see that it has 3 plastic feet and 2 metal pins, meaning that it's a 5-pin because it has 5 pins in total. Now this switch is a Keil Superspeed Silver. It is a 3-pin because it only has 1 big pin in the middle and 2 metal pins. The next thing that you wanna check for is your socket. 3-pin switches can go with any socket, but 5-pin switches can't go with 3-pin sockets. Now you wanna check for defects on your pins. This, for example, is a bent switch, so you can't put this in the socket. So what you need to do is that you just need to pull on the pin gently and straighten it. Now after it's straight, you should be good to go. Now let's start by taking the keycap off. Take your keycap puller and gently push it in and pull the keycap off. It should come off easily. Now to pull your switch off, just get your switch puller, use the switch puller and press the 2 clips on the switch. Then pull the switch out gently. Just like the keycap, it should come off easily. Now the next thing that you need to do is to get your new switch. Gently align the metal pins on the holes. Then slowly press it in. It should get in with a click. Now just get your keycap and put it on top of the switch. And there you go, your keyboard is ready to go.